Hi, today we are going to learn how to let users manage their downloads in PeepSo profile. The CM Download Manager plugin creates a secure directory of files. Users can download and upload files, all moderated by the admin. The plugin can receive social features by integrating with PeepSo. PeepSo is a free WordPress plugin that allows you to create a social platform similar to Facebook. In this example use case video, we will consider how to let your users manage their downloads from their PeepSo profiles. This use case video focuses only on the integration of CM Download Manager and PeepSo, so we recommend you first to configure base plugins. You can learn more about how to work with the CM Download Manager plugin in our another video. Besides CM Download Manager and PeepSo, you also need to install and activate CM Download Manager PeepSo integration add-on. Upon activating and installing the license for it, new settings will become available in the PeepSo settings on the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to PeepSo, Configuration, CM Download Manager. First box is Profile page. The options are: Show Downloads tab in the user's profile shortcode. Enable it to display the Downloads tab in each user's profile that shows the files uploaded by users. Show users' downloads in Downloads tab. If enabled, Downloads tab in user's profile will display files uploaded by the specific user only. Otherwise, Downloads list will contain users' own and commonly shared downloads. Show Manage Downloads tab in the user's profile shortcode. If enabled, the user will see the Manage Downloads tab that displays his uploaded files and allow to edit or delete it. Second section is Activity Feed. The PeepSo integration plugin can automatically post to the user's profile and activity stream when a new upload has been posted. Create PeepSo activity when user uploaded a file. If enabled, the activity post with the user's resource link will be added to his stream in his profile and will be also visible in the recent activity page that contains the shortcode PeepSo activity. Activity post template for new upload. Template for the activity post on the user's activity feed added after user uploaded a file. You can use the following shortcodes for adding dynamic content: full name, title, permalink, and excerpt. The tabs in user profile and links in the widget have dash icons that you can change. The dash icons for each tab can be changed in the box Profile widget. You can find out more information about dash icon links on the external resources. When the configuration is done, don't forget to click the button Save Settings. You can change the names of the front-end labels, tabs and buttons. To do this, navigate to CM Downloads Pro, Settings, Labels. The labels related to PeepSo integration are located in the corresponding section. Now let's check the result on the front end. Under the Downloads tab you can see the list of all downloads or downloads made only by you, depending on chosen by you settings. Here you can view or download the files. If you chose to display users' downloads under this tab, you can see downloads made by another user by visiting his profile under the Downloads tab. Under the Manage Downloads tab you can edit your downloads or upload new files. The process is the same as in the base plugin. When you uploaded the download, there will be automatically posted a post in your stream that will be also visible on the recent activity page. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you and your users should be able to manage downloads straight from PeepSo profiles. Thanks for watching the video.